Forest wonders, amazing animals of the wild. Deep within the world's forests lies a magnificent tapestry of life, where countless species have evolved remarkable adaptations to thrive in their woodland homes. From the towering canopies of tropical rainforests to the understory of temperate woodlands, these ecosystems harbor some of the most fascinating and ingenious creatures on Earth. Each animal has carved out its unique niche, developing extraordinary abilities that continue to astound scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Masters of the canopy. High above the forest floor, where sunlight filters through layers of leaves, an entire world exists among the treetops. The forest canopy serves as both highway and home to creatures that have mastered the art of arboreal living. Here, agility, balance, and specialized gripping abilities reign supreme. The three-toed sloth exemplifies the art of slow living in the canopy, moving at a leisurely pace of just 0.27 kilometers per hour. These remarkable mammals have turned energy conservation into an art form. Their specialized claws hook perfectly around branches, while their unique fur grows in the opposite direction of most mammals, allowing rainwater to flow away from their bodies efficiently. Perhaps most fascinating is their symbiotic relationship with algae, which grows in their fur and provides both camouflage and supplemental nutrition. In stark contrast to the sloth's methodical movements, spider monkeys demonstrate the pinnacle of arboreal athleticism. Their incredibly long limbs and prehensile tails function as a fifth hand, allowing them to swing through the forest canopy with breathtaking speed and precision. These primates can leap distances of up to 9 meters between trees, their bodies perfectly adapted for a life spent almost entirely above ground. The flying squirrel represents another ingenious solution to canopy travel. Though they cannot truly fly, their patagium, a membrane of skin stretching between their limbs, transforms them into living gliders. Some species can glide over 150 meters between trees, using their flat tail as a rudder to navigate through the forest with remarkable accuracy. Their large eyes provide excellent night vision, as most species are nocturnal, avoiding daytime predators and competition. Guardians of the forest floor. While the canopy bustles with activity, the forest floor presents its own unique challenges and opportunities. Here, in the realm of decomposing leaves and fallen logs, creatures have evolved to navigate in near darkness and compete for scattered resources. The European badger epitomizes the underground lifestyle, spending much of its time in elaborate burrow systems called setts. These powerful diggers can move substantial amounts of earth with their strong claws and muscular build. Their social structure revolves around these underground complexes, which can house multiple generations and span several hundred meters of tunnels. Above ground, their keen sense of smell guides them to food sources, from earthworms to small mammals. In tropical forests, the leafcutter ant colonies represent one of nature's most sophisticated agricultural systems. These industrious insects don't actually eat the leaves they harvest. Instead, they use them to cultivate fungus gardens deep within their underground chambers. A single colony can contain millions of individuals, each with specialized roles in this complex society. The sight of endless streams of ants carrying leaf fragments many times their body weight along forest highways is a testament to their incredible organization and strength. The pangolin, with its distinctive armor of overlapping scales, has mastered the art of ant and termite hunting. When threatened, these unique mammals can roll into an impenetrable ball, their scales providing protection that even large predators cannot penetrate. Their powerful claws tear open termite mounds and ant nests, while their extremely long tongues, longer than their entire body in some species, extract their prey with precision. Nocturnal specialists. As daylight fades and the forest transforms into a realm of shadows and whispered sounds, an entirely different cast of characters emerges. These nocturnal specialists have developed extraordinary sensory abilities to navigate and hunt in complete darkness. The great horned owl reigns as one of the forest's most formidable nighttime predators. Their asymmetrical ear placement creates a three-dimensional sound map, allowing them to pinpoint prey location with deadly accuracy even in total darkness. Their specialized feathers enable completely silent flight, while their powerful talons can exert pressure of up to 300 pounds per square inch. These adaptations make them apex predators capable of taking prey as large as skunks and even young deer. Bats represent the ultimate nocturnal success story, with their sophisticated echolocation systems rivaling the most advanced sonar technology. Some species can detect wires as thin as human hair in complete darkness, while others can distinguish between edible and poisonous moths based solely on the acoustic signatures of their wing beats. The diversity of bat species in forests is staggering, from tiny bumblebee bats weighing less than a penny to flying foxes with wingspans exceeding 1.5 meters. The elusive leopard cat of Asian forests demonstrates how feline predators have adapted to nocturnal hunting. Their large eyes gather available light with incredible efficiency, while their exceptional hearing allows them to detect the slightest movement of small mammals in the underbrush. Their spotted coat provides perfect camouflage among dappled moonlight and shadow, making them nearly invisible to both prey and larger predators. Engineering marvels. Some forest dwellers have evolved into nature's most skilled engineers, creating structures that rival human architectural achievements. These construction projects serve various purposes, from shelter and protection to food storage and reproduction. The North American beaver stands as perhaps the most famous ecosystem engineer. Their dam-building activities can completely transform forest landscapes, creating wetlands that support dozens of other species. A single beaver dam can be over 100 meters long and several meters high, constructed with mathematical precision to withstand seasonal floods and changing water levels. These remarkable rodents possess specialized lips that can close behind their front teeth, allowing them to carry materials underwater without drowning. In tropical forests, weaver birds create some of nature's most intricate suspended nests. Male weavers spend weeks constructing elaborate hanging chambers from grass and plant fibers, weaving each strand with the precision of a master craftsman. The completed nests must pass rigorous inspection by potential mates, with females rejecting poorly constructed homes. Some species create colonies containing hundreds of these architectural marvels, transforming single trees into apartment complexes. The trapdoor spider represents underground engineering at its finest. These arachnids construct perfectly camouflaged burrows topped with hinged doors that blend seamlessly with the surrounding forest floor. When prey approaches, lightning-fast reflexes allow them to burst from their hiding places and drag victims into their underground lairs. The precision of these constructions is remarkable, with doors that fit so perfectly they're nearly impossible to detect, even when actively searching. Chemical warfare and communication. The forest serves as a vast laboratory for chemical communication and defense. Many species have developed sophisticated methods of producing, detecting, and utilizing chemical compounds for survival. The bombardier beetle possesses one of nature's most explosive defense mechanisms. When threatened, these insects can rapidly mix chemicals in specialized chambers within their bodies, creating a boiling spray that reaches temperatures of 100 degrees Celsius. This chemical weapon is aimed with remarkable accuracy and can be fired repeatedly, making the beetle nearly invulnerable to most predators. Forest elephants in Africa and Asia use infrasonic communication to coordinate activities across vast distances. These low-frequency calls, below the range of human hearing, can travel for several kilometers through dense forest. Family groups use this sophisticated communication system to maintain contact, share information about food sources, and warn of potential dangers. Their ability to detect these subtle vibrations through their feet and trunks adds another dimension to their already impressive sensory capabilities. The intricate world of ant chemical communication rivals the complexity of human language. Different species use hundreds of distinct chemical signals to convey information about food sources, dangers, territorial boundaries, and social status. These pheromone trails create invisible highways throughout the forest, guiding colony members to resources and coordinating massive collective efforts. Survival specialists. Perhaps most remarkable are the creatures that have developed extreme survival strategies, allowing them to thrive in conditions that would challenge most other species. These adaptations represent millions of years of evolutionary fine-tuning. The wood frog of North American forests has mastered the art of surviving winter freezing. These amphibians can withstand having up to 70% of their body water turned to ice, essentially becoming frozen solid for months. They accomplish this feat by flooding their cells with glucose, which acts as a natural antifreeze, protecting vital organs from ice crystal damage. When spring arrives, they simply thaw out and resume normal activities. Certain species of forest-dwelling tardigrades, microscopic animals also known as water bears, represent the ultimate survival specialists. These remarkable creatures can survive extreme dehydration, radiation levels thousands of times higher than would kill humans, and even the vacuum of space. In forest environments, they inhabit moss and leaf litter, demonstrating that some of nature's toughest survivors are also among its smallest. Conclusion: Guardians of Tomorrow. The amazing animals of forest ecosystems represent billions of years of evolutionary innovation, each species contributing to the complex web of relationships that maintain these vital habitats. From the engineering prowess of beavers to the chemical mastery of bombardier beetles, from the silent flight of owls to the underground agriculture of leafcutter ants, these creatures demonstrate nature's endless capacity for creativity and adaptation. As human activities continue to impact forest ecosystems worldwide, understanding and appreciating these remarkable adaptations becomes increasingly important. Each species lost represents not just a tragedy in terms of biodiversity, but also the disappearance of unique solutions to life's challenges, solutions that have taken millions of years to perfect. The forests of tomorrow will depend on our actions today. By protecting these incredible ecosystems, we ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at the extraordinary animals that call the forest home. Their survival stories remind us that life finds a way to flourish even in the most challenging circumstances, offering inspiration and insight into the resilient nature of life itself. These forest wonders continue to surprise scientists with new discoveries, proving that even in our modern age of exploration, the wild still holds countless secrets waiting to be revealed. Each creature, from the mightiest predator to the tiniest decomposer, plays an irreplaceable role in maintaining the delicate balance that makes forests some of Earth's most productive and diverse ecosystems.